Hey everybody, it's Jeff from Yawk coming to you from the beautiful Norwegian Gem. Today we're going to check out Deck 6 here on the Gem. Got lots of restaurants. It's got the Stardust Theater entrance, one of two entrances. It's actually two levels, the Stardust Theater. Let's see, it's got the casino, lots of restaurants, lots of lounges, some bars. Just a lot to see. It's also got two of the main complimentary restaurants, the Magenta and the Grand Pacific. Let's go check out Deck 6 today, shall we?
You can enter the Stardust Theater on Deck 6 or another deck as well. It's a two-level theater. It's quite large for a ship this size. Let's check out the casino. I'm not sure if you looked out that window. It was a pretty quick shot, but there's definitely land out there. We are in port, which means the casino is closed down. All ships close their casinos when they're in port. They are open 24/7, but they're only open when they're out to sea, which is pretty cool because it gives me the opportunity to show you everything. This is Captain Morgan. He shows up in all cruise-related videos here on the New York channel. He shows up as a quick flash in the background, including this video. Be the first to spot him and leave a comment below with the timestamp where you spotted him, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Good luck. And a shout out to Tim Jackson, who found Frankie the Flip-Flop in my latest Jersey Shore series video, Ocean City Boardwalk. Congratulations, Tim. Good eye. Ooh, table games. You don't see those often on my videos, do ya? Ship casinos are notoriously very tight, but I did a slot pull here. That video is available on the New York channel, and I was quite lucky. Check that video out. By the way, you don't need cash in a ship casino. You just put your room key in the slot machine or on the table, and it gets charged to your room. Very, very dangerous. This area here has several bars, including the Corona Cigar Club, which is an enclosed room where you can enjoy a stogie. There's entertainment in this area. There's Shaker's Martini and Cocktail Bar, as well as Malting's Beer and Whiskey Bar, as well as Magnum Champagne and Wine Bar. No shortage of bars, all inclusive. Le Bistro is the French restaurant on a ship. It is not all-inclusive. It's what they call a premium restaurant. You have to pay a little extra to eat here. There's a couple of premium restaurants on the ship. Majority of them, however, are all-inclusive. I visit most of them, so if you haven't seen the restaurant yet on the channel, the New York channel, you'll see it in an upcoming video eventually. Up the stairs is obviously deck 7, another video. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. And shout out to Mike C, who left a super thanks on my last Jersey Shore video, that weekend series I'm working on, the Ocean City Boardwalk. Thank you so much for your support, Mike C. I do appreciate it. This is Magenta, a complimentary restaurant. I had a great Italian dinner there and some really good wine, and I think that video's already available here on the New York channel. Grand Pacific is one of the main dining rooms here on the Norwegian Gem, and I believe I had breakfast, lunch, and dinner there during the course of this cruise. Reservations weren't required on the ship, but these monitors throughout the ship give you a good idea of when the restaurants are going to be busy that particular evening. Good rule of thumb is, if the restaurant's a little more upscale, you should make a reservation. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.